can play the game, you can act out the part, even though it wasn't written for you. Tell me what you gonna do. This heart, ashamed to play. One thing can lead to another. Doesn't take any sacrifice. Oh, father and mother, I said sister and brother, if it feels nice, don't think twice. Shower the people you love with love. Show them the way you feel. But things are gonna work out better if you only will. You can run, but you cannot hide. This is why I know. And what you gonna do with your foolish pride when you're all by yourself? Oh. First you tell somebody the way that you feel. You can feel it begin to be. I think it's true what they say about this squeaky wheel. Always getting better to shower the people you love with love. Show them the way you feel. You know that things are gonna work out better if you only will. Shower the people you love with love. Show them the way you feel. Shower the people you love with love. Show them the way you feel. They say never lie. They say the rain must fall, just like the pouring rain. Let it rain, oh, Lord, sunshine. Let it rain, oh, Lord, sunshine. Let it rain, oh, Lord, sunshine. Shower the people you love with love. Hey! Thank you. Isn't that a nice concept James Taylor has?
Yes.
Shower the people you love with love. And that's really, for me, what music does. Like, I bring my music, it's called Heartsounds, what I do, and I help people find their hearts, you know, through song. That's what my passion
How long
is.
have you been here?
I've been doing this for a couple of years now. I've been at this place several times on Bennett 5. This is the first time on this floor.
Yeah, I know you have.
Yeah, I saw you on Bennett 5 up there.
Maybe.
Maybe. But anyway, I do this a lot. I do this several times a week. I do my job. And then I have a band with two other women when I do
Were
harmony.
you delightful?
We do all 60s and 70s stuff, you know.
I love it.
But I'll bring you guys. I have some more show tunes for you if you want. I'm gonna go for another 25 minutes if that's okay, because I got here at 2:30. What's that?
This is pretty new for most of us, true?
Yeah. So we can do stuff like from Guys and Dolls. You know, anything from Guys and Dolls.
About what?
I dreamed last night, I got on the boat to heaven,
Yeah,
and
I
by
like
some chance I had brought my dice along, and there I stood, and I hollered someone fade me, but the passengers, they knew right from wrong. Because the people said, sit down, you're rocking the boat. Said, sit down, you're rocking the boat. And the devil will drag you under by that sharp lapel right and check your throat. Sit down, you're rocking the boat. Sit down, you're rocking the boat. I sailed away on that little boat to heaven, and by some chance found a bottle in my fist. And there I stood, and I hollered someone fade me, but the passengers were bound to resist. For the people all said, sit down, you're rocking the boat. People all said, sit down, you're rocking the boat. And the devil will drag you under by that sharp lapel right and check your throat. Sit You take it. Sit down.
You're rocking the boat.
You take it.
You're rocking the boat.
Who wants to rock the boat a little? Sit down. Sit down, you're rocking the boat. When you see a guy reach for stars in the sky, you can bet that he's doing it for some doll. When you spot a John waiting out in the rain, chances are he's insane as only a John can be for Jane. And when you meet a gent paying all kinds of rent for a flat that could flatten the Taj Mahal, you call it sad, you call it funny, but spending even money that the guy's only doing it for some doll, some doll, some doll. The guy's only doing it for some doll.
Whatever you want to call it.
For some rod.
Rod.
Whatever you want to call it.
Whatever you want to call it.
All right. Let's see. What else we brought with? Oh, how about sunrise, sunset, sunrise, sunset, swiftly flow the years, one season following another, laden with happiness and tears. Who is the little girl I carry? Where is the little boy at play? I don't remember growing older. When did they? How did she get to be of you? How did he grow to be so tall? Was it just yesterday when they were small? Sunrise, sunset, sunrise, sunset, swiftly the road is. Seasons turn overnight in sunflowers, blossoming even as we gaze. Sunrise, sunset, sunrise, sunset, swiftly flow the days, one season following another, laden with happiness and tears. Now, thank you guys. You like that stuff, right? So I wrote a song. I live in Bethel, Connecticut. I wrote a song called Welcome Hanukkah. I wrote a Hanukkah song, right? I wrote it. I'm Jewish. Welcome Hanukkah, festival of light. It starts with a Shabbos, continues at night. Think about the past and how we end strife with the other people trying to trust what is right. Through our tradition, we're looking mighty grand. We're hanging burning oil that we had. Last is just one night. And then we get in the darkness, the temple with no light. But lights later on, candles burning bright. Judas Maccabee, we won a victorious fight. Now our tradition reaches us again. Welcome Hanukkah, festival of light. It starts with a Shabbos, the king of night. That's an original song, guys. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
I don't know how we got you, but we're lucky.
Hey, I'm lucky to be here with you guys, let me tell you.
Come again?
I certainly will. I certainly will.
Very nice.
Let's see. How about, okay, I got an upbeat one for you. Ready?
How did we ever find you?
Hey, where do we go? Days when the rain came. We're down in the hollow. We're playing a new game. Laughing and running, yeah, skipping and jumping in the misty morning walk. Oh, and my heart's jumping you, my brown-eyed girl. You brown-eyed girl. Whatever happened? The Tuesday is so slow. Going down the old line, train hits the radio. Standing in the sunlight laughing, hide behind the rainbow wall. Slipping and sliding behind the waterfall with you, my brown-eyed girl. You, my brown-eyed girl. Do you remember when we used to sing sha-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la, sha-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la. So hard to find my way now that I'm on my own. I saw you just the other day, live on that road. Got some memory back there, Lord. Sometimes I'm overcome thinking about making love in the green grass behind the stadium with you, my brown-eyed girl. You, my brown-eyed girl. Do you remember when we used to sing sha-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la, sha-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la, I'm glad to be here, man. This is where I belong. This is where my heart is. My heart is sharing my music.
Yeah, whose song was that?
Van Morrison.
Oh, Van Morrison.
Van Morrison.
Where do you live?
Yeah, I love Van Morrison.
I love Van Morrison too, man. I tell you, he's amazing. He's amazing. There's so many great
Still
musicians.
kicking around.
Still kicking around. He's
Where do you live?
Bethel, Connecticut.
That's
Dan Brodax. Brodax. Jam with Dan. Call it Jam with Dan. And my business is called Heartsounds, like I said. And this is my thing. This is what I love to do.
We're glad you're here.
More than anything in the world.
We're glad you're
Van Morrison.
This is it, guys. This is it. So much fun. How about Bob Dylan?
We'll take you anytime.
A little bit knock on heaven's door. Oh yeah. Mama, take your bags off of me now, 'cause I can't wear it anymore. It's getting too dark to see now.
Quiet.
Feel like I'm knocking on heaven's door. Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. And knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. Yeah, yeah, knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. And mommy, take your gun and throw them in the ground now. I can't use them anymore. That long black cloud is coming down now. And I feel like I'm knocking on heaven's door. Yes, I feel like I'm knocking on heaven's door. Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door.
I'm not there yet. I will be.
Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. Well, yeah, I'm just knocking on heaven's door. I said I'm just knocking on heaven's door. So you can take these guns, you can throw them in the ground now. You know I don't wanna be shooting them no more. So that long black cloud, it's a-coming down now. And I feel like I'm knocking on heaven's door. Yes, I feel like I'm knocking on heaven's door. Knock, knock, 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 knocking on heaven's door.
Bravo!
A little blowing in the wind. And
Yep.
gonna wrap things up with a song called "I Am the World and You Are the World," Light of the World, and you guys are gonna be in that song with me.
What industry?
What's that? Highway 56?
Yeah.
Which tune is it?
Yeah.
I'm gonna do "Blowing in the Wind" right now. But I love Dylan. He's great. You know, I love doing the impression. I don't like to always sing like him, but I like to do his impression once in a while. How many roads must a man walk down before you get to call him the man? How many seas must the white dove sail before she sleeps in the sand? And how many years must the cannonballs cry before they are forever back? But the answer, my friend, is blowing in the wind. The answer is blowing in the wind. How many years can the mountain exist before it is washed to the sea? And how many years can some people exist before they are allowed to be free? And how many times can a man turn his head and pretend that he just doesn't see? But the answer, my friend, is blowing in the wind. The answer is blowing in the wind. And how many times can the man look up before he can see the sky? And how many years must one man have before he can hear how people cry? And how many deaths will it take till he knows that too many people have died? Well, the answer, my friend, is blowing in the wind. The answer is blowing in the wind. I say that the answer, my friend, is blowing in the wind. So it's blowing in the wind.
Yay!
He was 19 years old when he wrote that song. Robert Zimmerman, Bob Dylan. 19 years old when he
Bob
wrote that
Dylan?
song. He will become the most important poet
Think
laureate
so?
of this century. I do. I really do. The next thing I'm going to do is a song called "You Are the Light and I Am the Light."
I've never heard that one.
No, a friend of mine wrote it. It's a real cool song, and I'll teach you how to do it. You are the light, and I am the light. You know we are the light of the world.
Hey, you wrote this.
When we let it shine, it's always something so divine. Because we are the light of the world.
Yay!
What's your name, Light?
Connie Hillwood.
Connie is the light. Oh yes, Connie Illowitz is the light. Connie,
Absolutely.
she's the light. You know it of the world. She'll tell you. And when we let it shine, it's gonna be something so divine. Because Connie is the light of the world.
Yeah.
And your name is
Yeah.
Carol Sherwood is the light. She's the light. Carol Sherwood, she's the light of the world. And when we let it shine, it's gonna be something so divine. Carol Sherwood, she's the light. Carol is the light. You know, Carol is the light of the world.
Yeah.
Hello. How are you? Yeah. And your name is?
Give him your name.
You do.
You.
She's the light. Oh, yes, she is. You guys can all sing this with me, ready? Beverly is light. Oh, yes, she is light. Oh, Beverly, she's the light of the world. When we let her shine, it's gonna be something so divine. Cause Beverly is the light of the world.
And so are you. And so are you.
Thank you. We're all the light. I'll get to that in a minute. Grace. Grace is the light. Yes, she is the light. Grace is the light
I'm the
of
light
the
too.
world.
I'm the light too.
And you're a light too. Jennifer, right now it's Grace. Let's let Grace be the light. We're going to sing Grace right now.
I love it.
Grace is the light. Right now, yeah, Grace, she is the light. Right now, Grace is the light of the world. When we let her shine, it's something so divine. Because Grace
am
is the light of the world.
Remember when you come there, off the light.
And your name. Your name. And you look lovely. Is her name and you look lovely? Who can verify that for me? Who here can verify that her name is Amy? And you look lovely? You look lovely too. Yeah, you look lovely. On the light of the world. And even though I don't know your name, it doesn't matter, just the same. You look lovely. You're the light of the world. Because we are all the light. Oh yeah, we are all the light. We are all the light of the world. And when we let it shine, it's gonna be something so divine. Because we are the light of the world. And your name is?
Yay!
Martha. Ready, guys? Martha is alive. Why is she is alive? Martha, she's the light of the world. When we let her shine, it's gonna be something so divine. Bye, guys. Thank you. What's your name? Thank you. What's your name? Ron. Ron is the light. Oh, yes, he is the light. Ron is the light of the world. When we let her shine, it's gonna be dancing up the line. Because Ron is the light of the world. And Barbara is the light. Oh, Barbara is the light. She is the light of the world. Time and she's dancing down the line. Because Barbara is the light of the world.
Hey,
We are all the light.
Connie.
Oh, yes, we are. What's that? Connie is the light. Oh, yes, Connie is the light. She's the light of the world. When we let her shine, it's gonna be something so divine. Because Connie is the light of the world.
Hey, aren't you glad you came?
Anybody else? You guys want me to song? You want to be the song? Is that Lucille? This one, Lucille? Lucille is the light. Ah, yes, she is the light. Lucille is the light of the world. When we let it shine, it's gonna be something so divine. Lucille is the light. I said Lucille is the light. You know, Lucille is the light of the world. And we are all the light. Oh, yes, we are the light. We are all the light of the world. And when we let it shine, it's so divine. Because we are the light of the world. Thank you, guys. So now we're going to rejoice. I said we'd start and end with rejoice. We're going to end with rejoice. Pick up your instruments, man. Let's jam. Ready? That drum, that tambourine, that maraca, that egg. Come on, we're jamming with Dan. Come on. This is good, guys. This is it. All right. Well, rejoice, rejoice, rejoice. Won't you come, lift up your voice and rejoice, rejoice, rejoice. Won't you come, lift up your voice. Well, it's a blessing where we can sing. It helps us to remember everything. You know, it feels like our hearts are set on wing, and all we have to do is sing. We're gonna rejoice, rejoice, rejoice. Yeah, rejoice, 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 rejoice. And won't you come, lift up. Let me hear you guys with the instruments. Ready? Drum, tambourine, everything. Let's go. Rejoice.
We don't know who found you, but we're very happy they did.
I'm very happy to be found. I called up Ellen and said, hey, you know, give me an audition.
We're very happy you found you.
Keep inviting me back, so I'll see you again. Sure I will.
You know what my name is?
Connie. Grace.
Connie Illis.
Great to God.
My name is.
Oh, what's your name, hon?
Dan. Dan with Dan.
We had a good time.
I had a great time with you. I'm so glad you did. You know, it makes my heart sing.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, guys. Thank you very much. Happy holidays, happy New Year.
What goes in your tea?
So much fun. So much fun. Thanks for playing along.
You want this? You want me to make it?
Yeah, we found you, but we're glad they did.
Thank you, Connie.
What do you remember that?
I'll get it all.
I won't forget you. What's your first name?
Dan.
Dan.
Jam with Dan. Just tell Ellen you want to jam with Dan.
Dan is my. Come anytime you want to sing with Dan. Come anytime. Oh, I thought you saw.
Name. Nice name, huh? I always loved it.
Dan.